Look at this skyline. Nairobi is engineering the next wave of African tech innovation, building everything from high-volume fintech platforms to custom enterprise resource planning systems. The underlying engine that is powering those massive real-world solutions is JavaScript. We aren't here to vibe with basic syntax. We are mastering logic and memory to engineer solutions for the ground, tools that a local merchant can actually use to process sales. That means ditching the standard hello world. Today, you configure a fully functioning development environment and write the core logic engine for a point-of-sale system. You need exactly 3 things: a computer, Visual Studio Code for writing the logic, and Google Chrome for its developer tools. Time to lock in. Configuring this specific workspace is the non-negotiable first step. It is the moment you stop observing the tech scene and start writing code for it. Step 1. Create a dedicated folder on your desktop called Nairobi Pause and drag it straight into your VS Code workspace. Inside that folder, create 2 files, index.html and app.js. Open index.html and generate your HTML boilerplate. Boilerplate is the standard starter code that gives your document its basic structure. Look at this diagram. Link the HTML to your JavaScript engine. Right before the closing body tag, type script source equals app.js/script. Watch your spelling. If the file name doesn't perfectly match, it fails. Notice the tab's dot means it's unsaved. Hit Ctrl+S to save before testing. Your HTML is a lifeless skeleton. That script tag is the exact bridge allowing JavaScript to animate it. Switch over to your app.js file. We are going to simulate a transaction. We start by defining a variable. A variable is the system's memory, a container for data. Type let item price equals 500. Real systems track multiple data points at once. Declare a second variable. Let M-Pesa fee equals 25. Now we build the logic. Create a third variable called transaction total that adds item price and M-Pesa fee together. Add a console.log command. This instruction pushes your calculated total out of the code and directly into the browser. Go to your files and double-click index.html to open it in Google Chrome. Right-click anywhere on the blank browser page, select the Inspect option, and then click the Console tab at the very top. Here is your split view. Your logic on the left pushed the exact calculation to the right, KSA 525. If you see red text here, you have a typo. Check your spelling, save your files in VS Code, and refresh the browser. Printing that total confirms your local machine is fully configured to process abstract business rules into verifiable data outputs. You built a working transaction script. That foundation scales directly into progressive web apps, which are websites functioning exactly like native mobile applications. You have your environment synced and your first calculation running. You've moved from theory to a working setup that matches the pros in these buildings. In Module 2, we upgrade this static math by integrating the Fetch API. The Fetch API pulls live, dynamic data directly from the internet into your app. Mastering these local environment fundamentals is the baseline. Once the setup is solid, you are ready to start building the dynamic tools the market actually needs. See you in Module 2. Let's build.